Back to my channel once again. As I mentioned in my last video that I gonna show you some of the steps that can be performed for data analysis using a very website which is called Kaggle. So I have created a Kaggle account which is of course a completely free, and here you can create notebooks on your own just for practice, and also it has a tremendous amount of data sets as well. Any data you can search, you can get that mostly on Kaggle for experiment purpose. So I have I'll just gonna show you how you can create your own notebook and just practice along the way. Here you can see on the right here on the screen there is a your notebooks. If you click on the plus icon, it will go through certain checks and it will give you the prompt. Yeah, so just this is the dummies things you can remove anyway, and here you can whatever data if you want to practice, you can create, I mean Python code you can practice as well. For example, I just if you give you some data set, and if you import anything as you like. So I'm just giving examples like import pandas as PD, and if you just load that data into data frame, for example, this is very basic syntax. I'm just giving you an example like how you can do, but it's mostly familiar with you. So just give the data, and it's very useful sometimes for practice. In the beginning, I think in the first time it will take some time because your session is gonna take some time to get in the booted up. It give you all the free resources of CPU, hardware and RAM, of course, in a cluster. You can see the pop-up session created, so I'm just going to minimize it, and I'm going to run once again this and once again this. Yeah, as you can see that it's small data set. I've just not giving anything actually, it doesn't make any sense. Sometime, yeah, so tab, yeah, I forgot to mention tab works normally here, so it's very good way to practice, and you can just give something like number, and you have to quote it in a string. Yeah, that's how it is. Yeah, so that's how this 012 is nothing but the index. It might be familiar to you, and number is this column, basically column values. Yeah, that's how you can create your own notebook in Kaggle. This is the intention of this video. Yeah, and one more thing I would like to tell you, if you want to install any external libraries, for example Spark and all, if, for example, if you want to install external library, something like Spark, okay, something like this, it will not allow you until if you enable this internet connections to on. This I have faced this issue, and then by some Google search I came to know. So if you do that, then it will be installed on your local environment, and then you can make use of the PySpark code as well. So yeah, thanks for watching. Hope you like it and might be helpful for you as well. Thank you.